temporary fasteners are available to aid assembly. Self-tapping screws are inexpensive and efficient. Threads are removed by reaming the hole before riveting. These spring fasteners are well adapted to sheet assemblies and do not damage the hole. Quick-acting, self-locking plier clamps hold parts securely at points holes are undesirable. Before actually starting to rivet, always inspect the work. Make sure that all holes line up properly, that they are free from chips and burrs and are perfectly round. Check rivet hole size to be sure rivets will fit snugly with minimum clearance. Be sure all fastenings are secure and close enough together to keep the parts aligned during riveting. Aluminum rivets are driven by hand and pneumatic hammers, and by squeeze riveters. Hand hammering is important when using small quantities of rivets, as well as for repair and maintenance work. Let's see how hand hammering is done, and how the rivet acts during any kind of riveting. Line up the holes, put the rivet in the hole, back up the manufactured head with a solid dolly. Use a draw set to seat the rivet properly in the hole and to pull the sheets together. With a 1-pound hammer, hit